Here's a soft infinity braid.
We're going to start with 2 sections. Then we're going to take a little section on the outside of the left, cross it over and then under those 2 sections, kind of like weaving it. Then we're going to add another piece of hair to that woven section. Add it to there, weave over the middle section and then under the other middle section. See, it's like basket weaving, right? We're going to cross that same woven section over, add hair to it, go over and then under. So we're only weaving with the same section, okay? And then weave it back around, add hair to it, under, over, under, and then back around. We're gonna go over and under. It's very tricky with your hand coordination, but once you get it, it'll work really well. So keep the 2 sections in the middle straight down, and you're gonna take one section and weave over the 2 in the middle, adding hair to each side. So we sped it up here the video a little bit, and as you can see as we finish, we're going all the way to the bottom, weaving around, under and over those 2. I think one of the trickiest braids to do, but the end result is so worth it and so beautiful. So try this at home and hope you like it. Once I finish the braid off, you can do a 3-strand braid at the end or any kind of braid to finish off, or a little chignon, depending on the event the client is going to. All finishing touches, I use my comb to smooth out the sides a little bit.
And here you go. This is the finished soft infinity braid.